Well, hello and welcome to today's video, which is all about my ridiculously amazing life digital planning system. And I am thrilled to be here taking you into the planner and showing you what it is all about. Just a little information before we get into the actual planner itself is I want you to think of like a soul compass. And it's just not like any other planner that you've ever seen before. It's part life planner, it's part life coach, it's actually part ego booster, and it's definitely part goal slayer. And the unique factor is that it is 100% you. Yes, you. And this planner really works to keep you motivated every day, build that confidence, maintain a positive mindset, manifest your desires, and stay focused on what it is that you want to accomplish, which ultimately leads you to living your life by design, not default. It puts you back in the driver's seat, which is what this is all about. But it's a digital customized monthly, weekly, daily planner. And there are the rituals that I talk about infused in the pages in between. And those are kind of like each day's worksheets, if you will, to keep you on track. Because we all know, especially with journaling and everything else, that what you write down and what you keep putting in front of you is what gets done, right? So we make a to-do list, we throw it off somewhere, we hide it from ourselves, never be thought of again. But I want to keep your goals front and center, but I also want to keep your soul a priority in the process. So what I want to do is jump into this. So let me get a couple little technical things out of the way here, and then let's get into it. Let me move to another screen. Here we are. So right now, I have my phone, and this is it. This is everything, y'all. We always have this device on us, right? If we buy, this is the problem years and years and years and years ago before I came up with this, is that paper planners, they're bulky, they get lost, they get forgotten about. And so to have something where it's on you anyway, and it's running your life anyway, right? We live by these things. To have something that's right here, super easy, and this is it. You don't need a heavy, bulky planner to tote around, and so it's super, super cool. So I want to show you the pages that I've set up. Oh, and by the way, I have a little tool. It's a stylist, and this is just a little, cheap $10 Amazon find. It's got a stylus tip that goes with any kind of screens. Probably any age of device, but I'm not 100% on that one. So what I've done here is I have created different album covers. The ones that you see, the bottom three are ones that are private. However, the bottom left-hand one, let me make sure I'm getting that right, that says the manifesto. That is actually a free download that previous people, it was an offer that I made. I'm not sure if it's up on the website anymore. But the top four are the ones that are applicable to 2018. Now, 2019, we've got some new stuff coming out. That'll be released in November. But what I'm showing you right now is what is the 2018 planning system. So it'll be a very, very similar, maybe some different upgraded graphics. However, I think they're pretty, and I will probably keep it pretty similar. So the companion notebook, let me walk you through this one. Essentially, and I can rotate the screen too. I'm just going to keep it in landscape mode right now and not switch to portrait because it fits so nicely in this little graphic that I have. But what you can do, you can zoom in, out, and the cool thing is this syncs between all your devices via the app that I recommend. And this is really where you use all the features. But yeah, you can just keep track of everything. I have little stickers. So that's just a little sneak peek into that. Let's go back. I love, 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 love the sticker book. This is like so much fun for everything else with the planner. So there are some stickers that actually come with the planner, and then I teach you how to go find the freebies and really customize and personalize this 100% yourself. And super, super fun. As you can tell, I go to town with this, and then I have private ones that I've created too. And then there's also some quotes that I haven't uploaded in here because that's a training video. Now, then I created a notebook as well for things for 2019 that you just need to you don't need to deal with right now, but you want it there so when you're organizing your 2019 planner, it's easy to transfer over. So let me show you the planner. Are you ready? Awesome. So this is the cover, and it is in landscape mode. We beta tested this, and although you can print this planner absolutely and put it in a binder, but then you lose all the functionality. But if you're just one of these people, it's like, I love this, but I just want to print it up and put it in a binder, 3-ring, have staples printed up or your nearest office supply, put it in a hard binder. It's up to you. You can totally customize this, like I said. But all the full features I'm showing you right now. So we have this beautiful cover, and you see all these tabs. Everything around here, I wonder if this will show. Yes, I hope so. All these are hyperlinked on the mobile devices. Let's go into, I'm going to just flip the page, and there we go. There's the 1 year. And then we get into the directory. So we have here some pages that are already in here, a little overview, and then off-site, off the planner, there's actually more how-tos. And if you haven't purchased the 2019 planner, if you don't get part of the 2018-2019 package, then if you have FOMO or some kind of remorse, you can find it directly here. And so, yeah, then we get into some pages, some training pages, which I won't get into that one. But what I'm able to do, which is super, super sweet, is I'm able to bookmark and create customizable pages for myself. So there's a bunch. I'll show you some of the thumbnails here. You can see tons of pages already created. But what you can do here is go to bookmarks, and you bookmark what you need. So it completely declutters your mind, right? Because overwhelm is, oh my gosh, overwhelm is like crippling. It really is. And so that's part of this planning process, is to just keep it like as tight as possible with what you're going to be looking at each day. So then you're just immediately into decision mode and what needs to happen. So this is the way that I have bookmarked. It is so easy and so customizable for you to bookmark how it best flows for you. And I've created some additional business pages that are my personal checklist for whenever I'm doing a certain thing, from launching to my daily engagements to if I'm doing a series, the steps I need to do behind the scenes to have everything go everywhere that needs to happen and make sure that it is getting done. So I'm going to take you to the end of the month. You know what? Let me show you October really quick. Well, yeah, because this is cute. So this is my personal private planner. I haven't uploaded a dummy one or anything like that. So I'm going to show you what my October looks like. There we go. How adorable, you all. This is so cute. So some of these stickers come with, and so what I like to do is mark each day as complete. So visually, when I log into my planner, I know right, my eye goes right to the spot, and visually, I just need I don't need a lot of text. I just need a picture of, oh, this is what's going on, like a visual reminder, like this day I'm doing a webinar. This day I launched a Facebook ad, and then any holidays and stuff like that are on here as well. Travel. I was leaving one country and going to another one. And also these extra things that you are seeing up here. So this was thumbnails. This is where I can add stuff, and then where I can wind up doing all kinds of stuff, from like adding text, handwriting. It's just, it kind of uses all your senses in a way, and that's completely intentional. Let's see where. So I'm going to take you into what a week looks like. So let's go to December. We'll pull that up. And so now everything is hyperlinked, like I said. So all these pages with the stylist, or even like your finger, but I like the stylist because it's more precision. You can go to the month cover. Now in between, see these little hearts? They go to the week tab. So although I can't do it on the screen, I can do it here. So I'm going to take my stylist. I'm going to click on the heart. And then here's the week at a glance. And this is also, I've already pre-labeled this because this will be week 6 of the course that I have coming out that launches November 1st. And yeah, so this is how I like to have it pre-set up. That comes completely blank. In the sticker collection, there is the timeline, like if you like to have the hours on there that you can just copy and paste. But again, did this intentionally. In the training, I teach you a few different ways to run your day and then encourage you to pick whatever works best for you. All right, so now with inside these, you see there's more little hearts. The heart always guides you. Isn't that adorable? Because it really, really does. And so I like to pick, you'll see in the rituals how I lay it out. There's basic like to-dos that just have to get done. And then I have my like 3 things that are top priority to get done. And so I would click on the heart here and it will take me to the ritual for the day. So this is the ritual page for December 3rd. Definitely have paid attention to every kind of connection that I think you possibly could utilize in your day-to-day operation of planning. And then also the date, if you go to the date. So, oh, there goes December. Look at, is it not adorable? Like, leave a comment about what you think about this. Let me zoom in. But yeah, I already have mapped out the big things through the end of the year. And so these are some of the blank pages that are also in here. And then you can copy, you can add dreams and doodles, and then get into that week. So let's go back into the ritual here. So you can see how this is. And so in the training, I get into how you use these components in order to design your day. And so this is the magic stuff right in here, are these rituals and how you implement them in your life. Just some of the fun things. I just want to show you. Like, so I've clicked on the highlighting pen, and guess what? I can highlight, I can then write, and I can pick whatever color ink I want to write in. How much fun is this? Seriously, how much fun is this? And then I can also, as you'll see down here, like set the thickness of the pen from a fine tip to almost like a magic marker style. And then I can be like, right? And if I make a mistake, oop, see how I just clicked on the eraser up here? I can go and completely take care of that. And let's say I love this little heart hello. I click on, see how I just hit the lasso next to it? I then lasso it, and I can then just click, resize, boop. So how much fun, and there's so much more. There's so many more little fun nuances. Like I say, you can bring in pictures, images, all kinds of stuff, and create and have fun. The other thing about this is that it is completely searchable as well. So if I knew I wrote something, but I'm like, gosh, I can't remember where that is. Like that was probably 4 months ago. I can use the search functionality of this and it will exactly pinpoint, usually if the handwriting is good, where you even hand wrote it, not just dropped in the text. Like super, super cool. So anyway, let me go back here, and any questions, fire away. I am dropping a link to where you can purchase this. There is an amazing deal right now for just to grab the end of the year planning system for the rest of 2018. So you can just kind of dip your toes into it and test it out. It has a September start date because that was a different launch that we did. But since there's only a couple more months left of the year, just thought, you know what, do like a last chance sale and let people get in and use the 2018 before going in and full purchasing the 2019. There is also a deal if you want to go all in and commit to the 2019 as well. There's a special price, there's a special discount code, and it's only available for a limited time. So if not, you're going to be at full price when 2019 happens outside of the well, in fact, this is a secret offer, and then they'll go into pre-sale that's a little bit more expensive, and then it'll be full price to the rest of the public. So if what I showed you, you're like, oh my gosh, this looks amazing, then yeah, jump in. I'd love to see you utilizing the system, designing your dream life. All right, I appreciate you watching this video and taking the time, and it was an absolute pleasure. I love playing around in this thing. I start every day, and every night is, and then many, many times throughout the day, this has become a staple in my life. And thank you again. Ciao.